I think the main challenge of the manufacturing industry is how to manage cost in a stagnating market. And from a manufacturing point of view, this means that you have to transform, that you have to technology to really improve your productivity and to become better at what you do. I think AI will be the transforming technology in order to enable manufacturing to improve productivity. And we all know no AI without data. And this is why it's really important to know what you already have in terms of data, if those data are usable, and what else you need in order to really improve your processes and use AI to transform your manufacturing processes. I'm a consultant, so basically I am successful when my clients are successful at what they want to do. And I think especially in the manufacturing industry, we were able to make machine data usable at scale at this point for a lot of our customers so that they can really use this data to do problem solving, to optimize machine settings, to do predictive maintenance, but to give the user the information at the right time. So all those are the right steps into making AI at scale accessible in our manufacturing plants.